Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're stepping into the future of micro-camping with a vehicle that's turning heads and redefining adventure. Forget everything you thought you knew about compact campers, because the 2026 camper is here to blow your mind and ignite your wanderlust. Have you ever dreamt of hitting the open road with all the comforts of home, but without the hassle of a massive RV? Imagine pulling up to a breathtaking vista, stepping out of your charming retro-futuristic abode, and instantly feeling connected to nature. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a passport to unparalleled freedom and unforgettable experiences. This isn't some bulky, cumbersome beast. The 2026 camper boasts an incredibly clever design that maximizes every inch of space, providing surprising comfort and functionality. From its stylish exterior to its thoughtfully designed interior, every detail has been meticulously crafted to enhance your journey, making even the smallest spaces feel expansive and inviting. Let's talk about those stunning colors. A beautiful light orange and cream combination that evokes a sense of nostalgia while still feeling incredibly modern. It's a design that's sure to spark conversations and turn heads wherever you go, truly making a statement on the road. Inside, you'll discover a surprisingly spacious and cleverly laid out living area. Imagine cozy evenings bathed in warm, ambient light, perhaps with a good book or engaging conversation. The sheer ingenuity behind this camper is truly remarkable. It's a testament to how innovative design can transform our perception of what's possible in a small footprint. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or just starting to explore the joys of camping, this vehicle offers a unique blend of style, practicality, and pure joy that's hard to resist. But don't just take our word for it. We want to hear from you. What do you think about this incredible 2026 camper? Would you hit the road in this stylish micro home? Let us know your thoughts in the comments section below. We love reading your feedback and engaging with fellow adventurers. If you're as captivated by the future of camping as we are, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. We'll be diving deeper into innovative travel solutions and showcasing more incredible vehicles that are set to redefine your adventures. Join our community and let's explore the world together.